Hello. Okay, so hi, this is Hitesh from Kelkars Python Academy. So today we will solve the problem statement from data lemma, which is based on SQL. So basically, problem statement name is sign up activation rate, which is asking TikTok SQL interview question. Okay, so let's see what is the problem statement here. So basically, a new TikTok user sign up their email. They confirm their sign up by replying the text confirmation to activate their account. User may receive the multiple text messages for the account confirmation until they have confirmed their new account. So basically a senior analyst is there, those who are interested, he or she is interested to know what are the activation rate of the specific user from the email table. So we have to write a query to find the activation rate, which is round the percentage to two decimal places. So in table definition, we have the two table, email table and text table. So email table contain the information about the user sign details. Text table contain the user activation information. So assumption is there. So the analyst is interested in activation rate. Okay, for the specific user in the email table, which may not include in user. So could potentially found in text table. So for example, user 123 in email table, they table may not in text table, so vice versa. So likewise, the table in email table we have the three column email ID, user ID, sign up date. This is a data from the email ID 125, user ID 7771. They got the sign up, they got the confirmation on specific this date and time. Likewise, all details are followed here. In the text table, we have the three column text ID, email ID, sign up action. Okay. In the text table, we got the text ID, which is of different text ID. From we they got the text ID on the from this they got the text code or text from this text ID to the specific email user to the email ID, and we will if they have confirmed, if the sign up action is confirmed, that means their account has been activated, they are ready to use. And if the sign up action is not confirmed, that means their account is not yet activated. Okay, so confirming sign up action means the user has activated their account, and they now their account should be ready and successfully completed their sign up process. So we have to find the confirmation rates for according to this problem statement. The confirmation rate is 67%. That is in decimal form 0.67. Okay. So that means 67% of the user have successfully completed their sign up, activated their account, and the remaining 33% have not yet replied to the text and confirmed their account. So now we will try to write the query. Okay. So for that we have to write first select from text. So we have to use round function here, which can be round up to two decimal places. And within the round function we will try to use some function of the aggregate function, and sum is applied on case when syntax should be there. When sign up action is When sign up action is confirmed, that should be present as 1, otherwise 0, that should be end. Okay. So now we will write select. We have to count how many email ID they got the confirmation code or messages. We have to round up to the second decimal point. Okay, so it will count how many email IDs are there from the email table. It will sum all the sign up actions. If the sign up action is confirmed, that should be present as 1, otherwise 0. And then it will divide the sum of all sign up action to the number of email IDs, and it will be round up to the second decimal point, 2 decimal places. Now let's see, we will run this query whether we will get correct output or not. So if you see somewhere error is there, somewhere error is there. Let's see what is the problem here. So basically we are round up the sum of all sign up action which is confirmed. If the sign up action is confirmed, that should be present as 1, otherwise 0. It will count all the email ID from the email tables. That should be divided to the sign up action, and whatever confirmation rate is there, that should be round up to the 2 decimal places. Okay, so let's see whether we will get correct output or not. Yeah, so we will get the 33% of user, their confirmation rate is their account is ready to use. Okay, they got the activation code, and 67% of user are there, their account is not yet activated. Okay, so likewise we will find the confirmation rate is here. Okay, so in this problem statement you have to mainly focus on case when syntax, and then some of the aggregate function is required like sum and round. Okay, and 2 different table is there. From one table we are trying to find out the how many email IDs are there, from which email ID they got the confirmation rate, and from the second table, from the text table, we are trying to find out what are the sign up action is there, whether they confirmed or not. If they confirm, that should be present as 1, otherwise 0 is there. So for that we will present this condition based statement in SQL. We will use case when syntax. In case when syntax, after the case when, we will first write the expression. If it is true, then it will be represented as after the then statement. If it is false, that should be present in else part, that is 0, and that 0 is followed by the end keyword. That means your case when syntax is completed now. Okay, so from this query we will got the confirmation rate. Okay, so this is of today. If you have any query regarding this problem statement, do comment us and try to solve SQL query as possible as that. Okay, so this is up today. Sign off. Thank you.